In an increasingly troubling trend, yet another WNBA game was disrupted by a fan throwing a sex toy onto the court. This time during the final seconds of the Atlanta Dream's commanding 86-65 victory over the Chicago Sky on Thursday night at Wintrust Arena. With just under 6 seconds left in the game, play was suddenly halted when a purple sex toy was hurled from the stands, landing on the court. According to front office sports reporter Colin Salao, this wasn't an isolated act. He reported that a second sex toy was thrown as well, though it only reached the area behind the Dream's bench. Security personnel quickly responded, questioning 2 men in connection with the incident. However, both were released after investigators found no definitive evidence linking them to the objects. This marked the 4th such incident in recent weeks, signaling what appears to be a copycat phenomenon that has raised serious concerns among league officials, players, and coaches alike. WNBA responds. Prosecution and bans for offenders. The WNBA has since reiterated its firm stance against these disruptive and inappropriate acts. Earlier this week, league officials announced that any fan caught throwing sex toys or other inappropriate items onto the court would face not only ejection and a permanent ban from WNBA events, but also potential legal prosecution. League Commissioner Cathy Engelbert did not mince words when addressing the disturbing trend. In comments made before Thursday's game to Sportico Sports Business, she called the behavior totally unacceptable and expressed her dismay over the individuals involved. "I'm almost in my 40th year in business and unfortunately we get these kinds of acts, and it's totally unacceptable," Engelbert said. "These people are trading whatever notoriety they're getting for a felony conviction. So, we have caught 2 of the guys and they're being charged with felonies. It doesn't make any sense to me, for whatever their little joyride is." She added a stern warning for would-be copycats. "Hopefully, it just ends with the fact that if you want a felony conviction on your record, go ahead and do it. But obviously, it can be very dangerous to throw anything, let alone what they are throwing." A pattern of disruptions. Thursday's disruption is not an isolated case. The Chicago Sky were involved